Far beyond the southern oceans lies a land untouched by time, a continent frozen in silence. Antarctica, located at the southernmost point on Earth, Antarctica spans 14 million square kilometers, making it the fifth largest continent. It's the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on the planet. Temperatures can drop below -89 degrees Celsius. Antarctica holds 70% of the world's freshwater, locked away in ancient ice sheets that are over 1 million years old. Believe it or not, Antarctica was once green, home to forests, dinosaurs, and rivers during the age of Gondwana. Ancient Greeks and Romans believed in a southern landmass, Terra Australis Incognita, a land unknown, to balance the known world. 1820. Antarctica is officially seen by multiple explorers. Fabian von Bellingshausen, Russia; Edward Bransfield, UK; Nathaniel Palmer, USA. They are credited with being the first humans to lay eyes on the Antarctic mainland. Ross discovers the Ross Sea, Ross Ice Shelf, and Mount Erebus, still an active volcano. Used magnetic instruments to study the magnetic South Pole. 1901 to 1904. Robert Falcon Scott leads the Discovery Expedition. UK, 1907 to 1909. Ernest Shackleton's Nimrod expedition comes close to the South Pole. 1911. Location flag Roald Amundsen, Norway, reaches the South Pole first on December 14. 1912. Scott reaches the pole later, but he and his team perish on the return journey. One of the most incredible survival stories in history. His ship Endurance is crushed by ice. His crew survives months on the ice. Shackleton sails 800 miles in an open boat to get rescue, and saves every man. Explorer Richard E. Byrd flies over Antarctica, laying groundwork for aerial surveys. McMurdo Station, USA, is established. Antarctica begins to transition from exploration to scientific research. 12 countries, including the US and USSR, signed the Antarctic Treaty. Declares Antarctica a peaceful, nuclear-free zone, open to science only. Today, over 50 countries are signatories. A massive subglacial lake hidden under 4 kilometers of ice. Isolated for 15+ million years, scientists hope to find unique microbial life. Scientists detect a giant hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica. Leads to the Montreal Protocol, 1987, banning CFCs, a rare environmental success story. Ice drilled from Antarctica contains trapped air from hundreds of thousands of years ago, revealing past climate and carbon dioxide levels. Huge sections of the Larsen A and B ice shelves break off due to warming. Larsen C broke off in 2017, creating a giant iceberg, A68, the size of Delaware. 18.3 degrees Celsius, 64.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Recorded at Esperanza Base. Highest in history in February 2020. Signals drastic warming trends. Shackleton's famous ship Endurance is found perfectly preserved under the ice after 107 years in 2022. But this icy paradise is under threat. Climate change is causing glaciers to melt at alarming rates. raising sea levels around the world. Melting of Thwaites Glacier, aka Doomsday Glacier, could cause meters of global sea level rise if it collapses. If all the ice melted, sea levels would rise by over 58 meters. No one was born here. No cities, no nations, only researchers and explorers set foot on this frozen realm. Despite the cold, life thrives here. From emperor penguins to colossal squid and blue whales, Antarctica's ecosystem is unique and fragile. Living here is like living on another planet. The research bases are isolated, freezing, and full of discoveries. Thanks to the Antarctic Treaty, no one owns Antarctica. It remains a continent of peace, dedicated to science. From space, it's a glowing white jewel. Remote, majestic, fragile. Antarctica may be Earth's last untouched wilderness. But even the untouched can be undone. It's more than ice. It's our planet's memory, and its warning. The future depends on what we do now. Preserving this frozen frontier is not just about saving penguins, it's about saving ourselves. Like, share, and subscribe for more planet stories.